Hi everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to change font in VS Code. First, open your Chrome and go to Google Fonts. Here, simply select a font that you want to use. Download the font that you want to use by clicking on it and clicking on Get Font. Click on Download All. Now after you download it, open your VS Code. Here, simply open the settings by clicking the settings icon and settings. Next, search up font and on the font family, simply input the name of the font that you downloaded, then save it, and that's it.